Working around a pool like this is pretty fun. It adds like risk aspect to it, to like, oh man, all my tools and my phone could all get wet. It's like playing the floor is lava, you know? Remember playing that when you were a kid? Anyways, I'm gonna use the speed square to mark out our notch here, and I think we took about an inch or inch and a quarter off of this piece and used the multi-tool to cut it. Now I didn't cut it quite perfect, so when I put this in place you'll see that it's slightly off. I think I did repair it, but I don't remember. What I'm doing here is checking the reveal to make sure I got the right amount, and then finally nail these trim pieces and we're done. Hope you have enjoyed this little series, and I'll see you in the next one.